everyone! Today we are going to solve the Fawn box from HackTheBox. Okay, we are going to start by answering all the questions, and I will show you the steps that I took to solve this box and retrieve the flag. Okay, so task 1. What does the three-letter acronym FTP stand for? FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. This protocol is a way to download, upload and transfer files from one location to another on the internet in between computer systems. Okay, so File Transfer Protocol. Which port does the FTP service listen on usually? So if you go on Google and search FTP ports, you will see that the answer is 21. Okay, task 3. What acronym is used for the secure version of FTP? If you go on Google and search secure version of FTP, you will see that the answer is SFTP. Here it is our answer. Task 4. What is the command we can use to send an ICMP echo request to test our connection to the target? The answer is ping. Ping will verify if a connection exists and if that connection is reliable, and we can perform a verification on our target. So to do that, we can go on the terminal and write ping and copy paste our IP. So as you can see, there is a connection. Let me cancel this. Okay. So our answer is ping. Task 5. From your scans, what version is FTP running on the target? To know this, we need to perform a scan, and we are going to use nmap. Nmap, the switch A, it will perform an aggressive scan. It will tell us information like the OS type, the version. So let's perform our nmap. It can take a minute or so. So with this scan, we can see that the port that is opened, it's 21. The service is FTP, and the version is VSFTPD 303. So this is our answer, VSFTPD 303, as you can see. Task 6. From your scans, what OS type is running on the target? Here you can see that the OS is Unix. This is our answer. Task 7. What is the command we need to run in order to display the FTP client help menu? If you go once again on Google and you write FTP help menu command, you will see that the answer is FTP-H. And as you can see, FTP-H. Okay, task 8. What is username that is used over FTP when you want to log in without having an account? As you can see in our scan, a login is allowed, and you can do that with an anonymous name. So we will try that. The name will be anonymous. Let's try it. FTP, first of all, and copy paste our IP. Let's try anonymous. No password is needed because the login is acceptable and our login is successful. So let's go answer our question. The answer is anonymous. What is the response code we get for the FTP message login successful? So the code is 230. This is our code for a login successful. So 230. Task 10. There are a couple of commands we can use to list the files in directories available on FTP server. One is dir. What is the other one? That is a common way to list files on a Linux system. To list files on a Linux system, we use ls. Here we can use ls. So let's try it. And here it is. So our answer is ls. Task 11. What is the command used to download the file we found on the FTP server? So, to download a file, we can use the command get and the name of the file, that is flag.txt. So, as you can see, our transfer was successful. Now we can quit our connection. And we just have to verify if we have our file in this directory, and this is supposed to. So for that we just have to do ls. And as you can see, here we have our file. To open the file and see our flag, we just have to use cat and the name of the file. Here we have our flag.